Do you suffer from gaps in your teeth? Or maybe you've lost some of your teeth and you're not sure about your options. Today's local expert is here to bridge the dental gap and helping you get the perfect smile. Get ready to be amazed at how quickly you can feel better about yourself when you find the right dentist who can create the perfect smile for you.
That's a great question. How do you find a great dental dentist that does dental implants? There's really four key factors here. Number one, you want somebody who has a great continuing education in dental implants. There is really no specialty for dental implants at this current time. Anybody can really place implants, periodontists, oral surgeons, general dentists. So you want to make sure that they had the proper training at a great facility that trains for dental implants. And to be honest with you, I think one of the best people that does dental implants is either a general dentist or a prosthodontist who are really more familiar with the aesthetics that go along with after placing the dental implant. So if they can do the dental implants themselves, because they're going to be responsible for the restoration afterwards, that's probably the best way you want to go if they've had the education and stuff. And you can ask them, where did you train, and look up that facility and see what that facility is all about. Second thing is you want to make sure that the doctor is really up to date, has sophisticated technology in the office to deal with dental implants. The major piece of technology that you want to be looking for is a cone beam CT scanner that allows the doctor to see things in 3D. You can see it on the screen behind me here. That's the type of imaging that we would be looking for, and allows us to evaluate where vital structures are in the bone, sinuses, nerves, etc. In 3D, so we can place the implant exactly where we want it to go, knowing that the tooth will be built on top of it afterwards. Third key point is the surgical procedure. You want to make sure that the doctor who is doing the surgical procedure can also sedate the patient, is comfortable, whether IV sedation or oral conscious sedation, because these are surgical procedures, all right? Most people want to be asleep for surgeries, so it makes it easier for the patient, it makes it easier for the doctor. And believe it or not, when the patient is sedated, 98% of the patients, even after a major surgery, can go back to work the next day just on Tylenol or Advil if they were sedated during the surgical procedure. And the last thing is check up and read the reviews on the doctor. The patients will tell you, their experience. That's the most important factor, reading the reviews on the doctor and see what the patients have to say, and how was their surgery, and how were their procedures, and were they uncomfortable, and how was the final aesthetic result. I mean, all those are key factors in finding a great dentist who places dental implants. We just had a patient last week that just came in. Based on our reviews, the first thing she said to the girls at the front desk when she walked in is like, have you read your reviews online? She said, I'm solely here based on your reviews. And that patient, she came into the chair. She was an emergency patient. We thought we were going to treat one tooth. She ended up being a full mouth reconstruction on dental implants that we started that day solely based off our reviews. So the reviews are critical, and I can't emphasize it enough. There's mainly three things that sets Grace Dental apart from other practices. Number one, it's not just about me or the doctors here. The whole Grace Dental team is amazing. From the first time the patient picks up the phone and deals with the staff to when they come in and meet the rest of the staff and the assistants, and then finally the doctors, their experience overall is phenomenal, and that's really what sets us apart. It's a whole team approach. It's not just about an individual or the doctor. Everybody makes the patients feel comfortable and welcome, and by the time they meet the doctor, they've already decided whether they're going to do the treatment here or not. Second factor is that we spend a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of money every year on the latest technology. And we have, like I said, a cone beam CT scanner in the office. We have a veloscope, oral cancer diagnostic screening light to look for oral cancer. We have lasers in the office. We have a tech scan bite, digital bite scanner computer that allows us to evaluate TMJ issues and bite issues. So we spent a lot of time and a lot of effort to get the latest technology for the patients. The third most important thing is that we can do all the treatment for the patients, implants and root canals and crowns and everything, in just one or two appointments in the office, because we know how to sedate patients during their treatment, and we can do everything for them so that they don't have to, it's like one-stop shopping. They don't have to get shuffled around between 3 or 4 specialists. If anyone would like more information about dental implants, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call here at the office, and we'll take great care of you. Here at Grace Dental, we create healthy, beautiful smiles, one valued patient at a time.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? Now you have some great tips to find just the right dental professional that'll help you along. Would you like more information? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.